Hello.
Hi Rajiv. Hi Rajiv. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine. Rajiv, we're meeting for the first time.
Yes, ma'am. We're meeting first time. Actually,
Okay.
I'm also using this app first time. No, that's why.
Okay, this is your first class or what? Second class? Second time?
Yeah, it's the second session.
Okay, the first one was demo.
Yeah, no, ma'am. After the subscription, I have taken the first session day after yesterday, and yesterday I haven't took any session. Then today, I mean booked one session.
So day before yesterday, day before yesterday you're saying, na?
Yes, ma'am. Day before yesterday, I booked one session. Then yesterday, I actually did not have time. No, so that's why I didn't get
But
time
it's here
yesterday.
written
So
the session, regular session. But Rohit, it's written here. Rajiv, sorry, Rajiv, it's written here session 20.
it's this is the same question asked by the teacher of the day after yesterday session. The ma'am I mean the ma'am who took up my session day after yesterday asked the same question which you have asked to me just right now. So I have answered to them that yeah, it's my 20th session because before 6 months I have used this Clapingo application for 1 month plan.
Okay. Okay, that's why it's
Yeah,
showing 20th.
yeah, and I
Okay,
think
okay.
yeah, so sorry for
And
that.
where are
I
you
think by
standing?
mistake.
It is
Yes, ma'am.
okay. No, no, by mistake, what you're saying?
Yeah, by mistake.
It's become session 20.
No, ma'am, no. I'm saying that by mistake I said to you that it's my first session on this Clapingo.
Okay, doesn't matter because you're coming after 6 months. You feel it's a first session.
No, ma'am, no. Actually mistakenly I have done this. Sorry for that.
No, no. Like, see, after 6 months, you have joined again. This is your second session after 6 months.
Yeah, yes.
That's why you're feeling it's very new. Okay. अच्छा राजीव where are you standing? It's looking like as if you're in a cave. कहीं गुफा में खड़े हो ऐसा लग रहा है.
No, ma'am, no, it's not a cave. It's my home. Actually, it's just actually the construction is on the momentum. So my walls is not painted till yet.
Okay. I was thinking at night, how come you're gone into a cave?
Yeah, it looks like, yeah.
Okay.
Actually, I'm at my
It's
village,
looking like a,
so it's a dark also, so that's why it looks like that I'm staying in a cave.
and I even felt maybe it's a virtual background. Even I felt like that. But then it's because the construction is going on, na? That's why it is
Yes,
looking
yes,
like
yes.
that.
Yes, ma'am. The work is on
Okay.
momentum. Actually,
So
the
let's start
walls is
with
not
the
painted till
topic.
yet.
Okay, okay.
Uh, yeah.
Okay, topic is taking time to load. I don't know what's the problem. It's come. Wait. You saw the topic, Rajiv? My bucket list. Nice topic.
Uh,
Do you know what is a bucket list?
Bucket means the collection of something.
Yeah, bucket list means your wish list. You got it?
Wish list.
Like we all have wishes. I have a wish to go to Switzerland before I die. So
Yeah,
that is one of my bucket list.
yeah.
Okay. My bucket list keeps on changing. Earlier it was Venice, now it is Switzerland. So bucket list can change also. Okay, so do you have a bucket list?
Mm, yeah, I have several bucket lists, but not a fixed, only one bucket list.
So what is on your bucket list now?
uh,
Presently, what is your short-term bucket list?
Short-term bucket list is to achieve my goal.
What is your
Yeah.
goal?
The ambition to become the Indian Armed Forces member.
Okay.
Yeah.
Clapingo, we take a lot of interview, to make you speak. We have to take interviews. Clappingo. Okay.
Yeah.
So otherwise, how will you speak if we don't take the interview? So you want to be in
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
armed forces.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wow,
So
that's
actually, ma'am,
great.
I have installed this app and also subscribed because I want to make my make my English very influential because it's very necessary and needed in the SSB interview. When we go to
Okay,
give the
okay.
SSB
So
interview,
make your English impressive, right? You want to
yes,
make your English
impressive.
impressive.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, Rajiv, yours is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
15-minute session. Yours is
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
15
ma'am.
minute session, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay, okay. So you come only for 19 minutes or something. I think maximum we have 19 minutes then. Yes, yes,
Eight.
19. Right.
Yes, 18, 18 and a
Okay.
half. Something.
So yeah, that means we can go on till 9:19. Until 9:19 we can go on. So we have almost 12 minutes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
let
ma'am.
me ask you a lot of questions in 12 minutes and give you
Yeah,
feedback
of
also.
course,
Have you
of course.
completed? Yeah. Have you completed anything from your bucket list so far?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Actually, my first and the foremost bucket list is to achieve my goal, and for that, I haven't done my. I mean, I haven't done my preparation till yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you
So I'm
haven't
just.
started your
So I,
preparation.
yeah, I have started long before, but till yet the preparation is on the momentum. So
Okay.
yeah, it takes 1.5 year to me to complete that.
Okay. 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 Have you removed anytime anything from your bucket list?
First
Like
of
I
all,
removed Venice from my bucket list. Okay.
ma'am, first of all, I want to say to you that I have listened this bucket list word first time. No? So after I mean listening this bucket list word again and again, I'm getting confused. Sorry for that.
बकेट लिस्ट मीन्स आपकी इच्छाओं का पिटारा आपने जो अपनी
So,
इच्छाएं
yes, 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 ma'am.
स्टोर करके रखी हुई है दैट इज द बकेट
Ma'am,
लिस्ट
yes, yes, you're right. My wish is to achieve the goal only, and till yet I don't have any other bucket list because of the because I was stuck in a very critical situation of my home, no, so I don't get a time to think of the kind of bucket list more. So I don't have the much bucket list
ओके
today.
ओके सो
Yes, ma'am.
then we won't
So,
ask
ma'am,
much question on bucket list
yeah,
because we'll ask
it's
questions
an
on some other topic.
yeah, yeah, it's a request. Please ask the topics. I mean, some other topics.
We'll change the topic.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
We'll change the topic because this topic is not something you can really relate to, because you have only one bucket list. So then we can't go on asking question on one goal, right? So I'll ask you different questions. Okay. One more thing, Rajiv, why you want to go into armed forces? What is the reason that you have chosen armed forces as your goal in life?
Um, uh, the first and foremost reason why I have chosen this goal because
Because even when you go for the armed forces interview, they are going to ask you this question.
yes, 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 they will ask to me. That's why I'm preparing for that, so that if I'll prepared before this the same question which you are asking to me, then it will be very much easily to me to counter them. This the same question.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
So
ma'am,
tell me what is the reason?
Yes, ma'am. The first reason is that, ma'am, when I was in the ninth standard, I have started playing volleyball, and which was the my favorite goal. I mean, which was the my uh, favorite what is it, sports to play. And since ninth standard, I have started playing volleyball, and from the ninth standard only, I have decided to be the part of the army, and because I started liking the adventurous kind of an activities to do. And yeah, and from the childhood itself, I'm watching so many videos, so many movies of our Indian patriotism kind of a movie. So by watching those movies, I myself starts getting and feeling enthusiastic on myself, and energetic also, and a kind of goosebumps started happening uh, into myself. So that time I thought that I have to be the part of that army and to serve our country's people.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tell me one thing, means have you prepared yourself for it? Like your weight, height, and your health, everything has to be in a perfect condition to pass the test. Are you completely prepared for it?
Ma'am, actually, yeah, my height is not. My height is not as the as applicable in that the army. But if we go for the officer rank, then height is not necessary there. But so that's why I'm preparing for that, for the officer rank.
Okay, okay.
But if we
So
go
you
for
have
the
started your
Bharti,
preparation and all that.
yeah, I'm doing
Okay,
preparation by myself. Yeah,
okay,
I have
okay. So best
thought
of
of
luck
going.
for you. Hmm.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. I have thought of going outside when I was in class 12th. I was thought of going to the Indore or dedicated places for my further studies. I mean, to join the academy, based academy, which helped me to prepare for the NDA or the CDS exam. But actually, the sudden incident happened. The corona arrived.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And after the arrival of the corona, everything got vanished. And my mother, my father, and actually my guardian denied me to go outside to do the further study.
Okay, okay. They didn't allow you.
Yeah, they didn't allow me
So
to
now
go.
you have to start once again. Now you have to start again.
Yes, ma'am. I have the opportunity
There
after
is
the
a problem
graduation.
with network looks like.
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
do
ma'am. I
one thing,
actually.
you come on an audio because the video is taking too much bandwidth.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Sorry,
There
ma'am.
is a problem
Actually, I
with
can't.
the video, and also when you talk after some time it reaches me.
Hello.
So I think if we close the video, it would be better. The bandwidth will be consumed less.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, because whatever you talk, it is not coming. Yeah, yeah. You can continue. You can continue talking.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you
Okay,
said
ma'am.
that Rajiv,
Now am I audible to you?
because of Corona you could not go out. That's what you told me, right?
Yes,
Now it's
yes, yes, ma'am.
perfect. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Actually, yeah,
Okay. So
because of the
where will you
corona.
go for further study? Okay. You continue, Rajiv. I'm listening.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, because of the uh, arrival of the corona, I denied myself and my family also. didn't allow me to go outside for the further study, and
Okay.
so I decided that I'll take NCC in my first year.
Okay.
Yeah, which helped me to get the direct entry in the officer rank, and
Okay.
uh, getting if I'll get the opportunity, I mean, if I'll get the direct entry opportunity, then I'll have to go for the direct SSB interview
Okay.
without cracking any exam, without cracking the ND or CDS exam. I'll get an opportunity to go for the SSB interview. Or if I'll clear that SSB interview, I mean the 5 days SSB interview, if I'll clear that, then I'll finally be the part of that army.
Okay. That's great.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So you
ma'am.
have a very clear focus how you want to
Yeah.
go. Mm.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. But actually, ma'am, I have done the B certificate exam, and this I mean, actually I'm in the final year of the graduation, and this is also the third year of the NCC also. So this year I have to do the I mean, I have to give the exams of C certificate this year. But because of the
Okay.
sudden, because of the critical situations of the several problems happening in my home, uh, I have to left the vision. I mean, I left the NCC, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can understand. Okay. See, I'll tell you, I'll give you the feedback about your English. You speak pretty well. Only thing is that article the you're using incorrectly. The
Yes, ma'am.
NCC for proper nouns don't use the. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Otherwise you're speaking well. And have to
Yeah.
left, have to leave, have to के साथ हम लोग we use base form of the verb.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Have to leave.
Okay. Yeah, so
Okay,
some
ma'am.
I'll tell you, you'll have to work on little bit on the usage of articles the,
Yeah.
and you'll have to
Uh,
work on modals.
o-
Modals.
okay, ma'am. Okay. And
Modals
ma'am,
is this have to, has to.
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah,
actually,
Rajiv. Hmm.
yeah, I want to say one thing more, that I want to say sorry to you for this inconvenience kind of I mean, inconvenience kind
No,
of
no, no, I
the
can
scenario
understand
happened.
because no, I don't see. I can. It's because of your place you're, communicating from. Maybe that is the reason. Or are you on mobile network by any chance?
Yes, ma'am. I'm using mobile and
That
I'm
is
at
the
the
problem.
village. I'm at the village.
Okay, mobile network. What happens? I'll tell you, Rajiv. After
Yes.
7:30, the traffic is too high. After 7 o'clock, so
Oh,
mobile network suffers. After 7 o'clock. In the morning, you take a class, nothing will happen.
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give
Yeah.
you a detailed feedback in the window.